1,000 gods! Slice and dice. Open season. The hunt is over. Now that's power. The Dark Beasts! Hell yeah! 1,000 gods!
Pick your hero. Or villain. I'm not judging.
I'll fight to end the darkness that spawned me. Vamps gave me my powers. I'll make
30
them
seconds
regret.
before you attack. Get ready.
Something has changed in you, Ileana. You're not the innocent child I once knew. Rule the demonic hordes of Limbo for long enough, and they're bound to rub off on you. I think I'll just take your word on that one.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
Intruders detected.
I was a prisoner of the Collector. One day, I will get even.
An opportunity for combat.
Next time, put up a fight.
Double KO!
We need not fear the Ankh anymore. You look tired.
Looks like the mission area is yours to capture now. The mission area is yours.
It pleases me to be helpful.
Good work, but it ain't over yet.
Denizens of the deep.
These creatures obey me with every command. The Ankh is gone.
Your cryostasis unit is fully operational.
That was too easy.
Help is here.
As good as new.
This area makes me nervous. Look,
mission area. Keep going.
Taste cold steel. Taste cold steel. No need to thank me. I've always walked the line between the living and undead.
We cannot let them claim victory.
Poor creatures. They served a cruel king.
The area's almost yours.
Hostile ahead. You look tired.
Friends, gather around.
The shield? That's not bad. It's clobbering time! 1,000 gods!
You'll have to keep fighting until we have a winner.
Foolishness.
Welcome to hell, light creature.
I wish I am as... Vamps gave me my powers. I'll make them regret it.
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
Whatever bargain you think you struck with Loki, he will betray you.
That's hardly your concern, Odin's son.
Asgard is my concern.
Then you should worry about Loki, not me.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
My heart hurts for my brother, but that will not stop me from defending Asgard.
Even on the screen, he radiates a terrible evil. Our enemies are here.
You might want to stay there. The move!
Looks like the mission area is yours to capture now. The mission area is yours.
Got a medkit.
Raise a toast in celebration. Protect the key.
I'm ready to do it.
Tell your friends to stay in the water anymore.
It pleases me to be helpful. Destroy the Ankh.
Lightning!
I was born ready.
Attack them!
Was that it? Really?
Our adversaries gather.
You needed some help, didn't you?
As good as new.
The legions of hell are beyond count.
You captured more than half of the mission area. Keep going.
Never miss. I had you covered this time.
Light always.
On your six!
I'm back, baby.
The area's almost yours.
Maximum pulse! I am Asgard's might!
Let them come and face the queen of hell.
Our duty is now to protect
Taste
this
cold
place.
steel.
We'll have to keep fighting until we have a winner. Control law.
The moon haunts you. I'm cutting in.
Control seized. You'll have to keep fighting until we have a winner. You'll need a top-notch team to win this one.
I'll fight to end the darkness that spawned me. Day and night. No monsters getting the best of me.
You cannot save Immerse.
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
You attack the very roots of Immerse. For what?
Cronovium, brother. Cronovium and... Fools! Do you truly believe you can stop my grand scheme?
What of your plan then?
All things have an end. Save no reason.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Help get that vehicle to its destination.
Though battles take me across the stars, my heart is here, and always will be.
Look, our next victim as good as new. I've got it.
You're halfway there. Keep going.
Slice and dice.
Render me assistance.
Yes, Victor. That's how us creatures of the night do it.
Almost there. Don't turn back now.
Get this over with.
The vehicle reached a checkpoint. Keep up the momentum.
All right. I'm back, baby.
You're halfway there. Keep going.
Leave them to consume.
Back in the game.
Here we come. You're quite welcome.
One shot. Best of both worlds.
This ult must be destroyed.
The moon haunts you! Yes, Spectre. That's how us creatures of the night do it. Taste cold steel!
You're so...
Almost there. Don't turn back now.
Here they come.
Behold the god of thunder!
Light and dark, nice.
Born again!
More Moon Knight's jump. As good as new.
Smack them.
Your thousand gods! Destroy these bombs, Open season. Best of both worlds.
Get that vehicle moving again.
Laid low by...
The stake. These goats better start hoofing it.
Leave them to consume.
I am Asgard's might! Your state from the
The stakes just got raised.
Get that vehicle moving again!
Back in the game.
Get ready. Here come the bad guys.
I'm not done. 'Tis best to destroy these orcs if there is time.
Keep pushing ahead. Ixgard is counting on us.
Leave them to Khonshu! Behold the god of thunder! On to Grinder!
I have many faces.
The moon haunts you!
As good as new.
Your powers are mine!
You lose something.
Never miss! Bring on the chaos! Here's how you shoot! Vengeance is served.
I'm back, baby.
We really must move this operation along.
Get that vehicle moving again!
Woo! I never miss! You.
I'll keep the night secret here, sir.
Can't touch this one. He knows where he's been.
Double KO!
I've always walked the line between the living and undead. As good as new.
Bring on the chaos! Born again! Khonshu!
Now that's power.
Pull-up time!
I get a little...
Please, we're hurt.
Your god is...
Everybody needs a hand sometimes.
Who wants to save
Or
a
a
giant
dagger.
enchanted tree? 1,000 gods!
Double KO!
Bury the light.
The vehicle reached a checkpoint. Keep up the momentum.
You lose something special.
Oh, I'm fine. Don't mind me.
That feels better.
Takes a lot more than that to put me down.
I am Asgard's might!
thanks.
Behold the god of thunder! The moon haunts you!
Smash it.
Slice and dust. You, not bad. Slice and dice. The hunt is on.
Next. We need not fear the Ankh anymore. Help, friends.
On Tooth Grinder! We ride with you!
I was born ready.
Don't let anything stand in your way.
'Tis best to destroy these
Born again!
Behold that
Child! Leave them to Khonshu!
The moon!
I'm back, baby.
Only 60 seconds left. left.
I broke the Ankh.
I've always walked around between the living and undead.
Down to 30 seconds.
Something here worth.
So close. This is your big chance.
Destroy the Ankh.
Back in the cave.
Your powers are mine!
The moon!
The final 10 seconds.
Behold the god of thunder!
Chin up.
Leave the magic to the
We'll have to keep fighting until we have a winner. Another epic victory. Big win. You'll need a top-notch team to win this one.
I fight to end the darkness that spawned me. Day and night. No
30
monster can
seconds
get the
before
best
you
of me.
attack. Get ready.
Two dooms ripping time and space apart. Nightmare.
Perhaps we can still convince these victors of the error of their ways.
That plan's a bit of a stretch, even for you. Any other big ideas?
We'll just have to win this the way
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
We've been discovered!
These squids look fun to punch.
Get that vehicle moving again.
The stakes just got raised. Gotta make it.
Ultron can be purged from Morocco if we act fast.
Is that it? Really?
No worries.
What am I?
I could use this.
You're halfway there. Keep going.
This is right.
That's some fancy armor. Too bad it's scrapped now, Tony. As good as new.
No way we let the X-Men go down like this.
That was too easy. My favorite time!
There! Don't turn back now!
1,000 gods!
Shields up!
When you got sound. Tell your friends to stay in the water anymore.
They look like they mean business. Vehicle reached a checkpoint. Keep up the momentum.
I'm cutting in. Hell yeah. Now that's power. Back in the game.
By the eye of Agamotto!
Arako's in trouble, but I know we can save it.
Open season. You're lucky I was here.
Maximum pulse!
Dragon unleashed! If you can't have an iron fist, stone's the next best thing.
One shot.
You're halfway there. Keep going!
Back in the game. Snack time already? Hell yeah.
Arako is living things. It deserves to be free from Ultron's influence.
I could use this.
We are undefeatable! Almost there. Don't turn back now.
Hell yeah. I could use this. You never stood a chance. 1,000 gods!
Double KO!
As good as new.
The vehicle reached a checkpoint. Keep up the momentum.
Behold the god of thunder!
Got a bulge. I was born ready. I'm cutting in. I could use this.
We've been discovered. The only way we win this is together, united.
Watch out, Unk!
Good work, Susan.
Khonshu's gonna be very angry.
Control this iron, Magneto.
That's it! Don't let anything stand in your way.
Collaboration.
Let's deliver this core and save Arako!
So close! So close! This is your big chance!
As good as new. This ice cold steel. Could have done it faster.
You got your